Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate PayPal with WooCommerce store. Now before we begin, I have to notify you that in order to do a lot of the tasks in this video, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription in WordPress.com to access all the features and do the task. Now as you can see, I didn't pay for the subscription, but if you do, you'll be able to do the task successfully. Now I'm gonna guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow these instructions, you'll be able to do that. Now let's get started and follow these few steps together. The first step is to enable PayPal in WooCommerce. And to do that, you're gonna have to go to WordPress.com and enter your account credentials. Once you enter your account credentials and log in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to WooCommerce right here, and you're gonna be able to set up a store. Setting up a store also requires a paid subscription. Now, when you set up a store, you're gonna go to WooCommerce again in your store and go to settings, then go to payments and enable PayPal and click on manage. Now for the second step is to enter PayPal details. Log into your PayPal account and you're gonna have to do that in another website. Let's search for PayPal. You're gonna have to log into your PayPal account and copy your APA credentials and pass them into the WooCommerce PayPal settings that's gonna appear right here. And for the third and final step, you're gonna have to test the integration. And to do that, you're gonna place a test order on your store to ensure PayPal payments are working. And that's it. That's how you integrate PayPal with WooCommerce. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.